Most Americans feel pretty confident about their home safety. We lock the doors, we check the windows, and we assume that's enough. But the biggest risks usually come from the things we overlook every day. Today, we're breaking down the 5 home safety mistakes almost everyone makes, why they matter, and how you can fix them in just a few minutes. These aren't rare problems. They're the ones firefighters, electricians, and emergency responders see over and over again. The good news is that each of them has a simple fix. A few small changes this week can save you from a fire, a medical emergency, or a costly repair later. Number 1. Dead or missing smoke alarms. A lot of homes have alarms, but many don't work. Batteries die. People disconnect them after one annoying chirp at 2 a.m. Some units are over 15 years old and can't sense smoke the way they should. Why it matters? Most house fires happen at night. You only get minutes to escape. A working alarm is the difference between waking up and not. Solution: test your alarms every month. Replace the batteries twice a year, and if the alarm is older than 10 years, replace it. Quick tip: if the alarm is discolored or dusty, it's probably past its prime. Number 2. Overloaded power strips. Power strips aren't designed to handle space heaters, microwaves, or hair tools all at once. Yet a lot of people plug everything into one strip behind a couch or dresser and hope for the best. Why it matters? Electrical fires start quietly. All it takes is one overheated strip or a loose connection. Solution: plug high-power items like heaters or air fryers straight into the wall. Use power strips only for low-draw electronics, like chargers, lamps, or computers. Never connect one strip to another. Quick tip: if a strip or outlet feels warm, unplug it and redistribute the load. Number 3. Blocked exit paths. It's easy to let hallways, stairs, or bedroom doors get cluttered. Shoes piled up, laundry baskets, storage boxes, or even furniture that slowly shifts over time. Why it matters? In a fire, smoke makes it hard to see. You don't want to be tripping over anything when seconds count. Solution: keep a clear 3-foot path from every bedroom to the front door. Make this part of your weekly reset. Quick tip: walk your escape route at night without turning the lights on. Anything you bump into needs to move. Number 4. Missing or expired fire extinguishers. Many homes have no fire extinguisher at all. Others have one hidden under a sink that expired years ago. Why it matters? Most house fires start small. A working extinguisher can stop a kitchen fire before it spreads to the whole home. Solution: get at least 2 ABC rated extinguishers, one in the kitchen and one in the garage or laundry room. Check the pressure gauge twice a year. Quick tip: if the needle isn't in the green zone, replace the extinguisher. They're inexpensive and last a long time. Number 5. Storing cleaners and medications within kid reach. Kids explore. They crawl, climb, and grab whatever looks interesting. Many households still keep cleaning sprays under the kitchen sink or medications in low drawers. Why it matters? Accidental poisoning is one of the most common emergency calls involving kids. Solution: move anything with a warning label to a higher shelf or use child-proof latches on lower cabinets. Quick tip: if a child can touch the handle, they can probably get into the cabinet. Store dangerous items above their eye level. If you learned something today, give this video a like. That helps a lot. And if you want more simple home safety and preparedness tips, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Tell me in the comments, which of these 5 fixes are you doing today? Even one small change makes your home safer.